Dear students, welcome to all of you in my online maths video class. Today we are going to discuss some question related to the chapter 6, that is factorization. Let us see the first question, which is question number 18, which is asked in 2008. Here the question is a polynomial 2x cube minus x square minus px minus 2 is given, and another polynomial gx x minus 2 is given. Here gx, which is x minus 2, is the factor of fx. In this condition we have to find the value of p, and just after finding the value of p, put the value of p in this polynomial, and after that factorize it. Okay, means if x minus 2 is a factor of 2x cube minus x square minus px minus 2, then first of all we should find the value of p, and with this value of p factorize the above expression completely. Okay, let us see how we find the value of p. Solution. Since we know that here x minus 2, which is gx, since gx is the factor of fx, here since gx, which is in the form of x minus 2, is factor of fx, this implies that f of 2, which is remainder, it will be equal to 0. Just like if 8 is a factor of 2, then 2 4s are 8, and remainder is what? That is 0. Similarly, if x minus 2 is the factor of fx, then what is the remainder? That is f of 2. According to remainder theorem, if x minus alpha is the factor of fx, then remainder is equal to f of alpha. Okay, and here according to factor theorem, if x minus 2 is the factor of this, then remainder will be 0. So here how we find it? F of 2 is what? F of 2, put the value of 2 here, 2 into 2 raised to the power cube minus 2 square minus p into 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, 2 raised to the power cube minus 2 square p into 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Here this implies that 2 to the 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, minus 4 minus 2p minus 2p minus 2 is equal to 0. Now here 16 minus 4 minus 2, that will be minus 6, is equal to 2p, and this implies that p is equal to 16 minus 6 will be 10, and here 2, that is 5. Means value of p is what? This implies that p is equal to 5. Okay, in this way we just find the solution of first part of the question number 18, that is find the value of p. Okay, what we do, since x minus 2, which is in the form of gx, is a factor of this, if this is the factor of this, then remainder will be 0. It means f of 2 is equal to 0, and doing like this way we just find value of p is equal to 5. After that put the value of p is equal to 5 in given expression, that is 1. Okay, here p is equal to 5. Now solve here, put x, not x, that is p, put p is equal to 5 in equation first, here this equation, then with the value of p factorize the above expression. If p is equal to 5, put p is equal to 5 in equation, then it will be 2x cube minus x square minus 5x minus 2. Okay, the expression will be like that. Okay, here f of x will be equal to this. Now what we do, we just divide here x cube, 2x cube minus x square minus 5x minus 2 by the divisor, that is x minus 2. So here the first term of this and first term of this, that will be 2x square, and this 2x square will be multiplied by x minus 2, then it will be 2x cube minus 2 to the 4x square. Subtraction and sign of subtraction will be changed in addition. This will be cancelled, and 4 minus 1 will be, that is 3x square minus 5x. Take the first one. Now again the first term of this 3x square by x, that will be 3x. It is plus 3x. Multiply 3x to this, it will be 3x square minus 3 to the 6x. Again minus plus. Because in division we always subtract, and during subtraction the sign will be changed. So here the sign will be changed, minus, and here it will be plus 6x and minus 5x, that will be x, and take the last one, that is 2. First term x divided by first term x, that will be plus 1, and it will be x minus 2, negative, positive, cancel, and it will be 0. Okay, then how we proceed the next term, next step? Next step will be like this way. Therefore here 2x cube minus x square minus 5x minus 2 can be written as x minus 2 and 2x square plus 3x plus 1. Let this is the equation 2. Okay, now what we do, just to factorize this, it will be 2x square plus 3x plus 1. How we factorize? AC 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. Now break 2 in 2 parts such that their addition is what? 3. It means 2 can be written as 2 into 1. So here 2x square plus 2 plus 1x plus 1 will be 2x square plus 2x, and here plus x plus 1. What is common here? That is 2x. It will be x plus 1. Here plus 1 common. Again x plus 1. Now x plus 1 and 2x plus 1. Therefore 2x cube minus x square minus 5x minus 2 is equal to x minus 2, x plus 1 and 2x plus 1. This is our required solution. Okay, this is our required solution. Here we find value of p is equal to 5, and after putting the value of p here, we just factorize, which is in the form of this. It means 2x cube minus x square minus 5x minus 2 is the multiplication of 3 linear polynomial, that is x minus 2, x plus 1 and 2x plus 1. Okay, now after that we should discuss about the question number 22nd. Let us see 22nd now. This is the last video related to this topic, related to the chapter 6, that is factorization. After that, the left question of exercise exercise 6 or chapter 6, and the chapter test you will do by yourself. Here let us see solution of question number 20. Solution of question number 20. The right solution. If x plus 2 and x plus 3 are a factor of x cube plus ax plus b, find the value of a and b. Factor. Since here x plus 2 is also the factor of this, and x plus 3 are also the factor of this. In this case, we have to find two equations, simultaneous linear equation in variable a and b, and after that solve that simultaneous linear equation and try to find the value of AB simply. What we do? We just write here, since x plus 2 is factor of fx. Okay, factor of, don't write fx. Okay, otherwise let us start it like this way. Let f of x, means polynomial fx, is equal to x cube plus ax plus b. After that, since x plus 2 is factor of fx, then remainder is equal to f of minus 2. Why? According to remainder theorem. By remainder theorem. Okay. Now since x plus 2 is the factor of f of x, then remainder is equal to this, or we can say its remainder is how much? That will be 0. This implies that f of minus 2 is equal to 0. Why? What is the condition? Condition is that x plus 2 is the factor of, then remainder is this, and therefore f of minus 2 is equal to 0. Or if you do not want to write this step, no need to write. Simply let fx is equal to this much and x plus 2 is the factor of fx, then f of minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. Now here put the value of x as minus 2, then minus 2 whole raised to the power cube plus a, here minus 2, and plus b is equal to 0. And what is the value of this? That is minus 8 minus 2a plus b. Okay. Or we can write here minus 2a plus b is equal to 8. Or simply we can write like this way, 2a minus b equal to minus 8. Let it as equation first. Similarly, f of minus 3 is also equal to 0 by factor theorem. Why? Because x plus 3 are factor of, x plus 3 is also factor of this polynomial. Therefore, f of minus 3 is also equal to 0. Then it will take this form. This implies that minus 3 cube plus a into minus 3 plus b is equal to 0. Here this implies that minus 27 minus 3a plus b is equal to 0. Again this implies that minus 3a plus b is equal to 27, or we can write 3a minus b is equal to minus 27. That this is equation second. Okay, this is equation second. Just write equation first just below it. Here 2a minus b is equal to minus 8. Here the sign is same, so we should subtract. The sign will be changed here. The sign will be also changed here. Here, in this way, this will be cancelled, and 3a minus 2a, that will be a, is equal to 19 minus 19. Okay, minus 19. Here the value of a is equal to minus 19. After that, put the value of a is equal to minus 19 either in equation first or in equation second, simply we can find the value of D. In this way, these two questions and some more question like that given in exercise 6. Now it's your duty to just complete all the question in your copy, and after that chapter test. I hope you must ask if you have doubt in this particular chapter. In our next video class, that will be I think on Saturday, that will be related to the ratio and proportion chapter 7. Till that, thank you.